Assalamu alaikum. I'm writer Sajawal Saleem Paracha. Hope you people are enjoying good health. Actually, reading a book is the best habit and the best hobby. Let me revise the difference between a hobby and a habit. As you guys know, I have already explained it in a video what is the difference between a hobby and a habit. But for my new viewers and for previous people, I would like to explain it once again. Habit is an unconscious activity. Hobby is a conscious activity. Let me explain it with an example. For example, you are doing a work. If that is your habit, you will repeat that work unconsciously. But if that is your if that is your hobby, then you may repeat that work consciously when you will feel free, comfortable, and easy. Without books. Have you ever imagined a world without books? To imagine a world without books is like to imagine a head without brain. To imagine the eyes without light. To imagine the ears without any ability to hear a voice. To imagine a cage without balls. To imagine a mind without any vision, without any ability to think. In fact, an Irish novelist is telling us the story of a Chinese man who is reading a book. The facial expressions of that Chinese person are continuously changing as he moves forward in reading a book. As he moves on the way to read that book, his facial expressions change. His fingers were tracing the line. And he looked at the sky. Now there are two possibilities. Maybe he is thinking about the writer's ideas and his own ideas. He is making a difference between these two types of ideas. Or maybe he is in connection with his own word and the word that is spread upon the pages. His face was beaming. His face was expressing different thoughts. different questions as well as different answers. When when the modern technology was making progress, the fear was there was a fear that modern technology will remove, will delete, will demolish, will destroy the habit of reading a book. And this fear continues until the television was invented. And this fear is still pending in this world, that in present era, that modern technology is continuously removing the habit of reading books. But the writer wants to tell us that the face of, or the facial expressions of this Chinese guy are neglecting this thought. The facial expressions of that Chinese man are neglecting, are removing this idea, this concept that modern technology will remove the habit of reading a book. In fact, modern technology provides us a lot of knowledge, a lot of concepts. This is another gate to knowledge. This is another way to the conceptual study of different things. But still, there is no doubt that this technology is erasing this habit, because nowadays students do not visit libraries. We should encourage the students. We should encourage the students at schools. We should encourage the college students. We should encourage the university students to adopt the habit of reading books. We should ask them, we should motivate them to visit the libraries at least once in a day. Basically, literature is a multi-layered subject. Literature is a tale of a human being. This is the story of human being, who we are, where we come from, and where we are going. Books give us different kinds of comfort. People have always found peace in a written work. Books give us peace. Books give us entertainment. Books make us travel. Books give us enjoyment. Books help us in understanding our own thoughts. Books help us to understand concepts of this world, the concepts of this universe, how to live in this world. Those who read more are well prepared to face the society than those who don't read. Through books, we travel. When we start reading, we meet different characters. We come to know their thoughts. We come to know about their cultural studies. We come to know about their norms, their moral values, their responsibilities, their habits, their hobbies. And we come to know about our own values. We come to know about our own culture. Communication is the art and process of creating ideas and sharing with others. And effective communication depends on the richness of those ideas. So, moreover, books give us another type of books give us a very unique type of player. The player to touch a book, the player to taste the concepts, the player to enjoy the fragrance of its pages. And moreover, we feel relaxation, and we enjoy the moment when we give our book to our friends. And we also feel happy when we ask someone to study a particular topic. Hence, in this way, if I summarize all of these things, all of these sentences, so in a nutshell, to imagine a world without books is to imagine a world without passion, without compassion, without ideas, without vision, without voice, without knowledge. Thanks a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share my videos with your friends, and must hit the bell icon so that you may get the notifications. Thanks a lot. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.